In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view group activity history in Splitwise. Knowing how to see your group's activity is really useful, especially when you're sharing expenses with friends, roommates, or coworkers. It helps you track exactly what's been added, edited, or deleted, and by whom, so everyone stays on the same page and there's less confusion about money. First, make sure you're logged in to your Splitwise account, either in your browser or the app. Then, open the group whose history you want to check. This might be something like a trip group, a household group, or any shared expense group you've already created. Once you're inside that specific group, you'll see a few different sections and tabs that show your balances and your list of expenses. To view the activity history for that group, look for the option labeled Recent Activity. This is usually located in the group view, often along the side or near the top of the interface, depending on whether you're using a desktop browser or a mobile device. Click on Recent Activity. As soon as you click it, Splitwise will show you a timeline of what has happened in that group. You'll typically see entries like new expenses being added, existing expenses being edited, or payments being recorded between group members. Each entry usually includes details such as who made the change, when it happened, and what exactly was changed. This history view is especially handy if someone in the group is unsure why their balance looks different, or if you just want to double check that an expense was entered correctly. Instead of guessing, you can scroll through the recent activity and confirm each action step by step. If you're in a large or very active group, take your time scrolling through the list. You can look for specific dates or people to help narrow down what you're looking for. It's a good habit to check this section occasionally, especially after a busy period like a trip or an event, to make sure everything looks accurate. And that's really all there is to it. By simply clicking on recent activity in your group, you can quickly review the entire history of what's been happening with your shared expenses in Splitwise, helping keep everything transparent and organized.